I'm very excited about the opportunity, and on behalf of Gillis Craig and our vendors, Rodney and Tania, I wish those of you with intentions of purchasing the property all the very best of luck. They've obviously done a superb job, and it's a credit to them, and it really is an exciting opportunity for you to secure what is a superbly crafted home. It represents excellent value.
How are you feeling? Nervous? Your heart pumping?
No.
No, you're relaxed?
Yeah, that's right.
So you've got the attitude of whatever will be, will be?
Yes.
Oh, have to.
Have to.
You will have noticed behind there's a cheque for $25,000. The Gillis Craig are donating to BCNA. As soon as we reach $25,000 over reserve, we will be donating $25,000 to Breast Cancer Network Australia. Absolutely.
But if they do donate that money, it means
You're up for the win.
you guys won 100 grand.
Who'd like to call me a start? In your hands, buyers. $750. Thank you, sir. Appreciate the start at $750,000. Well done to you. No pregnant pauses. $750,000. $760 it is. Back at 70 if you like, sir. At $760,000 fairly bid. Another 10 if you like, sir. You know, good on you. $770,000. 80 can I say? 80. 780. At $780,000. 780. 90 here. At 790. 790 the bid. 800 if you like. At 790. $800,000 here right in the centre at 800,000. Happy to take your 10 now, sir. At 810. Got it here. 20 if you like. At 820 it is. At 820 the bid. 820, 30 anywhere can I say. At $820,000 bidding in about 4 places. Happy to take your 5, sir. Want you to keep bidding. 800.
Come on.
5 can I say. At 830. At 830. At 830,000, another 5, sir, if you like. Saying no. At $830,000 bids here. Another 5, sir. At 830 bids here, right in the centre. At $830,000. Huts! Place at $830,000. Think of all the work. It is outstanding value.
No, they're just slowing down. It'll come back.
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
$830,000. You just won't find value like this again. 831, good for you. $831,000 saying no. Shouldn't be holding back. $831,000. $831,000. Another one anywhere. 32. Thank you, sir. 832. Another one if you like, man. 832,000. The bid right there. First call then at 832. Second call at $832,000. Third, final call. Are you all silent? All finished. Done at $832,000. Last opportunity, folks. Once the property's passed in, closing the door and everyone else, only talking to this gentleman here. Third, final call at $832,000. All silent. Finished. Done. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you are. I will officially pass the property in.
Oh, well